The OnePlus Ace 5 Ultra just hit stores and it is not your typical flagship flex. It is here to prove that premium power, beauty, and battery life do not have to cost a fortune. If you are tired of overspending for performance that fades by the afternoon, you will want to hear this. This phone promises a 6,700 mAh battery, a 144Hz AMOLED display, and a Dimensity 9400 plus chiplet wrapped under €350. That sounds bold. But bold claims mean nothing if it fails when it counts. I spent a week living with it, driving through real usage work, games, videos, and those moments when you need your phone to just hold up. Holding it feels premium. At 206G and 8.1mm thick, it balances size and comfort better than most big screen phones. The rear finishes in matte blue or graphite black do not show fingerprints easily, and it resists low-pressure water with IP65 rating. That is the kind of polish you want, especially with kids or coffee around. The 6.83-inch AMOLED screen is fast, bright, and fluid.
With a 144Hz refresh rate plus Dolby Vision HDR, it delivers visuals that feel sharp without overdoing it. Apps open quickly, scrolling feels snappy, and video playback is crisp. I watched several episodes on a rainy day and never wished for more brightness, even when I grabbed it for a quick doorstep run. Inside sits the Dimensity 9400 Plus and 12 to 16GB RAM. This is not basic performance. It handled PUBG Mobile, Asphalt, and Genshin Impact at high settings smoothly, without draining the battery in moments. App launch times surprised me, they rival much pricier phones. And thermal control stayed calm even during longer sessions, meaning no sudden throttling mid-game. Now, the battery. A huge 6,700 mAh pack powers you past most 2-day use tests. On video calls, maps, music, and gaming, I rarely dropped below 30% by bedtime. When I did plug it in, the 100W charge got me to full in under 40 minutes. That is faster than many premium phones. Bypass charging keeps temperatures in check during heavy use. And in an emergency, the reverse wired mode lets you help a friend top up too. It carries a 50MP OIS main lens and an 8MP ultrawide. Daylight photos come out crisp with strong dynamic range. Videos in 4K at 60 frames per second stayed steady thanks to OIS and EuroOIS. Nighttime results dropped in detail but stayed usable. The selfie camera captured me clearly on video calls but felt ordinary when compared to modern flagships. Now, about the front camera. The 16-megapixel selfie shooter sounds modest on paper, but in actual use, it does a decent job. During daylight, selfies come out clean with decent sharpness and tone balance. In low light, things get softer, and the detail drops, but the exposure control still holds up, especially indoors. Video? It shoots at 1080p with electronic stabilization, which keeps casual vlogging or video calling steady enough for social use. But this is not a front camera for content creators looking for cinematic sharpness. It is functional, fast, and gets the job done, but clearly not the star of the show. Stereo speakers deliver solid sound quality, loud, clean, with enough depth for videos or casual gaming. You get NFC, an IR blaster for remote control duties, and the phone supports circle to search, which pops up quick actions when it sees helpful prompts. No headphone jack, though, so wired audio fans will need Bluetooth. Good news, Bluetooth supports aptX and LHDC5 for high-quality streams. There is no microSD slot, so storage tops out at 1TB. No wireless charging, which might matter to some. The camera, while solid, cannot quite match triple-lens flagship setups. ColorOS May 15th feel different if you prefer pure Oxygen OS, but updates are regular. Overall, these are conscious trade-offs squeezed to make the phone powerful, fast, and affordable. A friend messaged me after using it 3 days. The OnePlus Ace 5 Ultra gave me back my full workday, no anxious battery checks, no edits slowing down, and it looked great doing it. That sums it up better than any spec sheet. If you want massive battery life, top-tier gaming performance, and a bright, fluid screen at a price mid-range might charge, this phone is your answer. It hits power and polish hard without demanding premium money. If you are chasing professional-level photos, wireless charge convenience, or ultra-compact design, look elsewhere. But if your priority is real-world durability, strong visuals, long battery life, and smooth performance all under €350, you will find the Ace 5 Ultra delivers depth where it counts. If this helped you decide, hit like so we can keep bringing honest tech insights. Tap subscribe for more reviews like this. I placed a link below to current prices and deals. Let me know what matters most to you, battery, gaming, or camera, and I will see you next time, right here.